I have been so intrigued by the Sugar Plum Fairy makeup look that has been trending for a little while, but I did not know if this was possible for my skin tone, but I decided to give it a try anyway. These are the colors I'm going to be using. That's Pink Grapefruit, Dahlia, and Nude, and Pearl Illuminator up on top. I'm going to smush these all together to come up with the shade that I think will work for my skin tone. I'm going to use my trusty blush and bronzer brush, one of my top faves, and I am just going to go into Nude first. This is going to be my base shade, just to keep everything more grounded, if you will, because these pinks that I'm going to be using, and the Sugar Plum Fairy look in general, tends to go a little bit more cool, and sometimes that's not necessarily flattering on me, so I'm going to customize it. I'm going around the bridge of the nose with nude only. I'm not going to put the super pink colors on the bridge of my nose, but I thought this would kind of tie it together. I'm not really used to putting blush on my nose, but I do think it is cute. So these are the colors that I'm going to be using, and I am literally just tapping into each pan, even the Pearl Illuminator. And our illuminators, they're cream. You can see here, it just leaves like such a beautiful sheen, and I love the pearl shade. It's a little bit more icy and milky, so I thought it would go perfect for the Sugar Plum Fairy look. Now, instead of eyeshadow, I am just going to use these lip and cheeks. This is Nude, and I'm using the Blur brush from the Demi line, and I'm putting these on very softly and just buffing them in so they won't crease because they are going on so lightly, but the tint will be left behind. And now I'm going in with Pink Grapefruit and a little tiny bit of that Dahlia, but more Pink Grapefruit. I'm trying to tie this all together. One of my favorite things about this Sugar Plum Fairy makeup look is the blush comes up so high. I think that look is so pretty. All right, so now here is the Seint lip oil that sold out like crazy when it was released, but I have heard that it is going to come back, so I'm super excited about that, and I'm going to let everybody know the second that happens so you guys can pick this up. I love to mix these with the lip and cheek shades, and I already have Nude on, but I'm going to make this a little bit more pink, but not as pink, because like I said, see how this is a little bit too cool for me, I feel, but I love these lip and cheeks that you could customize these. And the lip oil has like this really nice like birthday cake scent that's not too overpowering, so I think they did a great job with the limited edition lip products. I'm hoping that they bring them back permanent because they are a perfect companion to the satin lip and cheeks. All right, I just showed you Glamazing, and that is our powder highlighter. These pack more of a punch. You can see on my brush just a little tap picks up a nice amount of product, and I'm just tapping this on. Look at, I love this. I still don't think this is too much. I feel like it's subtle, but you could really see the sheen. And I just put the tip of my brush into Glamazing, and just to give it as a little bit of a topper over the lip and cheek that I have over my eyes, and to have everything all monochromatic and blending into each other, like the high points of my cheeks and on my eyelids as well. And that's it. It's super simple. I just smushed all of those together just to come up with my signature shade. It has a little bit of coolness to it, but I feel like it works. If you are interested in trying Seint makeup, all of my information is in the description. You can text me. We can talk about a color match. I'm an esthetician, so we could talk about your skin as well as skincare recommendations.